Hi, welcome to Company Sodi. In today's video, we are going to dive into some fascinating details about the company, including its latest updates and key insights. Let's get started. Mazda Motor Corporation is a leading global automaker headquartered in Fukuoka, Arkigan, Hiroshima, Japan. Founded in 1920, Mazda is renowned for producing innovative, high-quality vehicles that blend performance, design, and technology. With over 48,481 employees worldwide, as of 2024, Mazda is a major player in the motor vehicle manufacturing industry, consistently pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. Key company details. Website, link to www.mazda.com. Industry, motor vehicle manufacturing. Headquarters, Fukuoka, Arkigan, Hiroshima, Japan. Founded, 1920. Employees, 48,481, as of 2024. Revenue, $35.7 billion, 2024. Mazda's vision. Mazda is committed to creating cars that evoke joy and excitement for drivers while prioritizing fuel efficiency and environmental sustainability. The company's Sky Active technology represents a significant step towards sustainable innovation, combining fuel economy with high performance. Mazda has built a strong reputation for its stylish design, superior handling, and engineering excellence. Why choose Mazda? Innovative technology. Mazda continuously integrates cutting-edge technology to offer vehicles with enhanced performance, fuel efficiency, and safety. Stylish design. Known for their sleek and modern designs, Mazda vehicles turn heads on the road. Commitment to sustainability. Through initiatives like Sky Active technology, Mazda strives to reduce carbon emissions while maintaining a superior driving experience. Mazda global impact. With a global workforce and a strong presence in key markets worldwide, Mazda continues to be a leader in automobile innovation. The company aims to redefine the future of driving through its emphasis on driver-centric design, innovative technologies, and a deep focus on sustainability. Mazda's extensive lineup. Mazda's extensive lineup includes a variety of vehicles ranging from compact cars and sedans to SUVs and sports cars, catering to diverse consumer needs across the globe. Don't forget to subscribe to Company Sodi for more informative and engaging content. See you in the next video.